AKsir, your English language tutor. Absent minded. The absent minded professor was always forgetting an ingredient or two in his experiments. Clumsy. I have very clumsy hands and tend to drop things. Funny. What's your favorite funny quote? Zealous. She was most zealous in performing her duties. Timid. He was admitted in the past that he was painfully shy, timid, and geeky. Restless. After 5 years in the job, he was beginning to feel restless. Outspoken. He is very outspoken about political issues. Naughty. We just sat there giggling like naughty school children. Kind hearted. She's a very kind hearted girl. Mature. His parents did think he was mature enough to live on his own.